So we're watching. It's in watch mode. The other one that we had on watch mode last week that we actually got triggered into, and I did some posting this week, was coffee. Last week we were talking about coffee in a potential short setup that we had been straddling this half
Hmm.
square at 380 all, for almost 2 weeks, if not 2 weeks, and that if we could push up to complete the ABCD or get stuck under, it would get a good short setup. Well, we got the ABCD. I posted that.
Hmm.
Then Barry and I were talking. I dropped down to the 60 minute and basically got a reversal on a 60 minute. Was able to enter some options here.
Hmm.
Got enough of a move down to cover the options, and now I'm sitting in some free runners to see if we do actually go down. I think minimally we could be doing this.
Yep. Yep.
Doing like just a nice simple ABCD down to around 344. Or if we're lucky, we could be catching, here's your first, here's your second lower high, and then we get a big third.
Right.
So we'll see. It's a trade where you got to really manage the risk because this thing flies around. But the setup was there this week. We posted it in real time, and now we're gonna see how it plays out. Let's take a look at the weekly. The key thing here is we got a weekly close below that full square. It's really, look at all these bars and then where the closes were, they kind of almost all were closing down here below this. So if I saw a weekly close over that, I wouldn't be, as gung ho for the short. But for now, we sort of pushed it to the max, and now we see what next week brings here. And then the monthly, you can see the monthly, there's a similar level there, right in the same area around 403. So with a couple of weeks left in the month, we'll see how that closes. But right now, like I said, it's a free runner. Let's see if we get the bigger move, and it's kind of what you want to do, right? Is you want to get in, get your risk out, and then see if probabilities support, the analysis that you put, because that's the way you have those asymmetrical trades, right? Where you got no downside and potential upside in them. Anyway, it has been a long week. I don't know about you all, but I'm tired this week. After the end of the week, there was a lot of action, and I'm
Hmm.
expecting much more of the same, and I think we've talked about that, and it's we think for the remainder of the year it is going to be very volatile. I mean, you were saying today, Barry, that overnight the VIX reached what, 29?
Yeah. Almost 29. Yep.
I know, which it's
28.
hard to believe everyone's so calm and the VIX was so high, but that
Yeah.
it's
Exactly.
it's I think we all get used to it. So
Hmm.
um as our advice is always do your work over the weekend, have the levels, we've laid out the levels for you. Have
Follow
your
us on
levels.
X.
Yep, follow us on X, watch the videos and know the levels and we'll talk to you all next week.
All right. Great job, Ben. And we'll see you next week.
Take
Bye.
care, everybody.
Bye.
Bye-bye.